Hi there, this is Miles with Superior Lending. Back this week with your update on where things are at with a tip and some rates. We're going to talk about second homes and high balance loans and some big changes that are happening. Oh, I skipped over that. There's my contact info. You can scan the QR code. Now, look at this chart. Look where rates have gone. Just absolutely nuts. So we've left the twos. We're now in the low threes on conventional loans. Inflation, Federal Reserve, strong jobs report. These are all factors contributing to rates getting worse on us. And we still have room to get a little bit worse on rates. So the point here is clients need to move. Don't hesitate. Rates are still great, but we hate seeing these buyers' purchasing power getting eroded by rates moving up. At the same time, we see home values moving up too. So it's tough, especially for our first-time home buyers. So let's help them out and get them moving. All right. Over the break, they announced, Freddie and Fannie, that second home loans, anything that is delivered to Freddie or Fannie after April 1st, will have a loan level pricing adjustment. This is a fee that is paid and built into the interest rate when the loan is sold to Freddie and Fannie. And it's pretty severe. So it's going to look more like an interest or an investor loan penalty built in there. So it's a big deal. Since it affects loans that are going to be sold to Freddie and Fannie on April 1st, lenders are going to implement this, and we're guessing they're going to start doing it around mid-February. So I would get your clients who are thinking about this under contract and locked in. I even have some lenders right now, if somebody puts in a 60-day lock, the new penalties are in place. 30-day locks still don't have the penalties yet, but it's time to move on this. High balance loans. So here in Utah, it only affects two counties, Summit and Wasatch County, and those are loan amounts from $647,201 up to $978,000. They will have a penalty also added in. It's not as severe or as hefty as the second home penalty, but this affects primary residences for people purchasing, refinancing in those counties. So be aware of that. Good time to move and get locked in and get things done. Same timetable on these being applied. But you need to be aware of that. It'll have a big effect on things. Yeah. So we believe every client needs to be presented options. We love making sure they understand all the fees. Hope you have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. Miles Pitcher with Superior Lending.